We will learn how will the equilibrium price change when the slope of the supply curve changes. The question is, in a market model for a commodity, quantity demanded is equal to A minus BP, quantity supplied is equal to minus C plus DP, A, B, C, D are greater than 0. We need to find out how will the equilibrium price change when the slope of the supply curve changes. Okay, at equilibrium we know that at equilibrium what happens, quantity demanded is equal to the quantity supplied. Quantity demanded is A minus BP. It should be equal to quantity supplied, which is minus C plus DP. Okay, so can I write A plus C is equal to DP, transpose it, it becomes plus BP, or A plus C is equal to, let us take P common, we are left with D plus B, or our equilibrium price is equal to A plus C divided by D plus B, so we get D plus B. This is our equilibrium price. Graphically, if I draw a simple graph here, so we have quantity on the horizontal axis, price on the vertical axis, we have the usual downward sloping demand curve, and we have upward sloping supply curve. Okay, so initially equilibrium is achieved at this point, that is P star. Now what we are being told, how will this equilibrium price change when the slope of the supply curve changes? What is the slope of the supply curve? That is this D. Okay, so we need to find out the change in the equilibrium price due to the change in the slope. Slope is D, so we have D here. Okay, that means we partially differentiate this function with respect to D. Okay, so here we use the quotient rule. That is, first we write the denominator function, that is D plus P, then we take D upon, because D denotes the slope, dd of the numerator function A plus C, then we subtract and write the numerator function A plus C and take the derivative of the denominator function, which is D plus P, and we divide it by D plus P whole square, D plus P whole square. You know this quotient rule, I don't need to make mugs and toss here. Okay, so the the change in the equilibrium price due to the change in the slope will be equal to, so we have D plus P. Now the derivative of this function with respect to D is 0, so we get here 0, minus we have A plus C. Now the derivative of this function with respect to D is 1, so we are left with 1, so we get divided by D plus P whole square. I hope I am making myself clear. So this 0 times this term is 0, so here we get minus A plus C divided by D plus P whole square. This is the change in the equilibrium price when the slope changes. So slope can change either like this or like this. In either case, either we will get this very equilibrium price as this thing, or we will get this thing. Okay, so we are not being told whether the price or rather slope increases or decreases. Okay, it only increases. I hope I made myself clear in this video. Thank you.